Howdy, bitch. It's me, the boy LSG. Nice clean swap done in the backyard by himself. Man, this boy did a great job, bro. Got the Broham out here looking good, boy. Candy dripping from the Chevy. Caprice Classic already. Howdy, bitch. It's me, the boy LSG. Y'all ain't seen Sebastian in a minute, but he's still here. Y'all hear that drum roll back there? Ba-da-ra-ba-bum-bum. Got Nick Cannon over here doing this one too. I just did a 4L80E swap on this. I think it's an 87, 1987 box. Caprice Classic, Grandma Mink Edition. Great customer. Actually took a little bit more time than I. Hold on, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. Nigga looking like somebody in this motherfucker. Nah, but real talk, great customer, man. It took maybe a week longer than what I wanted to have it. You know, things happen, but it actually ended up working out great. What's wrong with this thing? It actually ended up coming out great. Had to swap the transmission 2 times. It is what it is, but overall, great car. 6.0, stage 3 cam. It's on a base tune right now. So he's gonna fix it. He got like a little fueling issue. He's gonna fix his fueling and then get this thing back on the road. But I don't know if I showed any of this car at all, so I'm gonna turn around and let you guys see what's going down. Nice clean swap done in the backyard by himself. Man, this boy did a great job, bro. It looked like he came fresh out of a shop, right? I told him a few things he can do, you know what I'm saying, to make it look a little bit better. I actually installed this piece right here for him. It was like original right here, but we installed that, got him looking good. And got the ICT alternate power steering pump bracket kit. Overall, ICT R4 compressor setup, nice and clean, straight to the point. He got the jigs, you know, like the Chinese style air intake. The regulator is tripping a little bit. If you can see, it's like fluctuating. So he's gonna, I told him to swap his regulator out so we can actually get the right fuel pressure, and then he's gonna bring it back to get a tune. Got the rail fans. Man, those things sound beautiful. You hear how much power the things got on it. But overall, check out Granny though. Look at her. Clean. Hear that drum roll though. Talk your shit, bitch. Talk your shit, bitch. Like I said, it's on a bass tune. Oh, not the windshield wipers, down. What are they at, right here? There we go. Oh, he got some rims for this thing already. I think they 24s or 26s. Man. Kick this damn transmission bottle out the way. He got some nice folds or some nice 6s for that thing. I really don't have too much to record because I didn't build a car, like I said. Just showing you guys some LS Swap B-body activity. Got the Broham out here looking good, boy. Candy dripping from the Chevy. Caprice Classic already. And then, I mean, that's pretty much it, man. Short little, quick little video. Box Caprice 4060 to 4080 swap. Actually, just gonna turn this thing off for a quick second so you guys can hear me clear. There's really nothing much for me to show you on the car because I did not build this car. So, yeah, there's not really nothing for me to show you guys. It came in with a slipping 4060, aka 40 Slippy. Came in with a 40 Slippy, snatched that out, put a 4080 in there, stock converter, stock 4080. Pretty much, I mean, that's it. I gave him a couple tips what he can do to make the car look a little bit better underneath of the hood. And he got some 24-inch wheels. I believe I have the picture. I'll post it somewhere right here. And then I'm sure he probably got a video of the rims on it. If he does have a video with the rims on there, what I will do is I will input the video as well. Like I said, overall, great customer, good dude. And I'll probably even make a YouTube short of this thing. If you guys haven't done so, man, follow me on all platforms, all social media. It's free to like a video, man. It's free to comment and show your boy that you up here. You know what I'm talking about. It's free to follow, man. So, like, subscribe, show love. Hit the thumbs down only if your ugly ass is a bum. Haters only love and jealousy at the same time. And get your paper, cuz off this box Chevy right here, I'm going to get mine. We're going to get back into these videos, man. I'm in a good space. I'm looking good. I'm feeling good, man. And 2025, you know what I'm saying? It's going to be a good year. It's going to be a great year, actually. May has been a great month. We're coming to the end of May. So, obviously, you know, this video is recent. And I got some updates on my Suburban. You guys know I have a Suburban. You can kind of see in the video what's going on with it. But, you know, leave it to the next video. Or it might get posted before this one. Anywho's, get one last fire up at this bad motherfucker right here. Because you know I'm a B-body guy. Busting every time, boy. And I'm gonna get at y'all. Don't forget to like my shit. I ain't gonna lie, man. I must say, I do miss my box Chevy. I had a 77 Caprice, the glass house window, you know what I'm saying? Or Aero Coupe, you know what I'm saying? 77 Caprice. I was 16 when I bought that. I was 16 when I bought that car. I was driving to high school in that thing. Everybody was like coming up in their Hondas. Most people didn't have their cars, but like some people had Hondas, some people had their little Jettas. Mostly females had cars. There wasn't no dudes riding up. I think I was like the only dude. I'm pulling up in a box Caprice, beating. I was like 16, about to be 17. Working at the grocery store on my way to work. Told that bitch up, man. Dude ran the damn the red light. I hit his ass. It was like a 2007, 2008 Tundra, big ass truck. I hit him in the intersection. That motherfucker flipped all the way. He almost damn near flipped into Starbucks, you know what I'm saying? His car was completely totaled. Mine was just had like a little sad little grill on it or whatever, but for the most part, my car was cool. I could have kept it, but I had no registration, no license, I had fake insurance. It was ugly, so yeah, man. Reminiscing. I said I wasn't gonna drive nobody cars no more because I really don't like to. But in his case, I told him, you know, I'll drive it, bro, don't trip. But I'm having regrets because the steering wheel is all over the place. Swerve right, swerve left. That's what I feel like I'm doing. But I just said, shoot, you know what? I'm about to go buy me a beef bowl, teriyaki and all that, with some vegetables, some steamed broccoli. Shit, why not waste this gas? You feel me? Cause out here in Cali, gas hitting for like $4.30 a gallon. That's for the cheap shit. Well, anywho's, I'm gonna let y'all go for real this time. Howdy, bitch. And bye. No. If I'm leaving, I gotta say bye, bitch. You feel me? Not for real though. I'ma holla at you niggas. I'ma holla at you niggas and niggettes. And the police just made a U-turn. Maybe I get this on camera. Fuck you put me over for? You don't see this motherfucking hat? I mean, I'm the sergeant.